I'm standing in front of the gates of the assembly building of Long March 5.
Keep it!
This is the only short video which shows you the details of Wenchang Sportcraft Launch Center and the largest rocket with the biggest load capacity. Long March 5, which is about to be launched in the building behind me, is the Long March 5. It will carry out Chang'e's 6th mission by surveying the far side of the moon and bring the lunar soil back. You know, decades ago, when the US took the lunar soil and only gave us a few grams of it, which we dissected. Now our country is growing stronger, so we can bring several kilos of soil back for researching. That is a thing we are proud of. The door is over 80 meters in height. It's nearly 800 tons. When our rocket is transported, the gate behind will open 180 degrees. The lower part is wider. That is a vehicle of the mobile platform which carries our rocket. It's installed vertically and will be sent to the launch platform on the rail ahead. We walk around to the north of the building. Now we are looking at the left side of the assembly building. The gate is about 30 to 40 meters. What enters from there? It's the staff, our rocket carriers. Whether the varieties of satellites or all kinds of spaceships are all taken inside through that gate. And then we winch to the position of the fairing, which is on the top of the rocket. Why did we build a launch center in Wenchang, Hainan? Since the core parts of the rocket are made near Beijing, so are its supporting facilities and personnel. Therefore, the rocket factory is in Tianjin, so the advantage is that we can ship the rocket from Tianjin to Hainan directly. See, that is 501 assembly building. Wow, I've got goosebumps. Guys, that is a scene you can see nowhere else. This is our Long March 5 rocket. Orange base under it is its mobile launch platform. Once it's moving, the original kit stands will rise up. Then the two sides are supported by 4 groups of wheels. As for those wheels, according to my observation just now, are driven by 18 motors. Guess what is funny? It's a range-extended mobile launch platform. There is a powerful diesel generator. Its electricity will be sent to those 16 motors, which push the whole platform to move. What's more, see the red hood on it? What is that stuff? It's the base to winch the rocket devices. Time for some trivia. As you can see on the body of the rocket, there are many things like ribs. It's used to fix the lines and pipes. There's more trivia. See the white and red squares on the boosters? It's not for decorating. It's like the laser reflector for 4-wheel alignment. When it's being launched, devices may get to know the deflation angle and the altitudes of the rocket through them. Is there anything for decorating on the rocket? Yes, look, under the white and red squares, there's a silver part. Many people are curious about this function, so I asked an expert which said it's just made for the rocket so cool. It looks cool. Take a look at the place below the silver booster. It looks like a plastic part which reflects light. That is plastic film. It will be burnt out during the launching. Watch the launching of Long March 5 rocket at the nearest distance.